Peyton here, and today we are opening a little surprise Lils, and I had two more, but I opened them, and these are what I got. So I'm gonna open these ones. This one. This is what happened to the other one. This is what happened. Yep, that is what happened. Yay. Okay, let's open it now. I even can. Yeah, I think I can. Yeah, I see it. It's right here, but I just can't grab it. Okay, I got that off. Hey, I got this secret thing. I want to get a clean tear. Nope, it's not a clean tear. Hey, the hot pink. What pink? Oh, I thought I saw a little bit of gold. Oh my god, I can't get this off. Oh, I got it. I think. Did I? There we go. Yeah, I got it. Okay. That was the smallest one. I gotta open. It's a hair curler. Okay. And guess what it came with? I'm gonna open this bag because, wait, do I have my scissors? Where are my scissors? I don't know if I have, oh, my scissors are right here. There we go. I might need my scissors. It comes with sweet three surprises. I'm going to use my safety child scissors. Oh, it's glitter. Oh, I thought that was glittery. Oh, it's a hat. I think it might be a baby because this hat, I think it's a boy hat, so I think I got a boy. Baby. Open, yum. Let's see. It's a, wait, what? It's like an owl or a penguin. Cool. Don't forget this surprise. Okay. Now these surprises are very quick because they're small. Oh, some glasses. I got so many of these. Like, I pretty much have like 8,000, maybe even bigger. It says strut your stuff, and her name is Penguin in the City. I love her so much. I love her pink hair. She even has a bow on her. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay home.